Hare Krishna students, please open your Sanskrit book, page number 66. Today we will start from page number 66 because these two, please write no need, okay? Question number 5 and 6, write no need. And 6 also no need, okay? 5 and 6. From this box we will start, okay? So let us know it too. That means you have to know this also. These things also you have to know. Directly you have to come here that O plus O or A plus O or A equal to A. That means O plus O A or A plus O A or A plus A O or A plus O also A. Okay. So let's see. Or one more. See. इसी तरह ई ऊ और री भी दीर्घ हो जाते हैं. दैट मीन्स ई ऊ शुड बी दीर्घ, ई ऊ री शुड बी दीर्घ. दैट मीन्स ई शुड बी बड़ी ई ऊ शुड बी बड़ी ऊ, री शुड बी डबल री. Okay, like this it will change in sandhi. So let's see. विद्या प्लस आलयः, विद्यालयः. मोती प्लस इंद्रः, मोतीन्द्रः. सी आकार मोती ईकार, बट व्हेन इट इज संधि सी बड़ी की मात्रा मोतीन्द्रः. गुरु प्लस उदयः, गुरुदयः. होत्री प्लस ऋकारः, होत्रिकारः. री शुड बी डबल री इन संधि. नाउ सी हिम प्लस आलयः, हिमालयः. ग्रीष्म प्लस अवकाशः, or should be a. Am I right? So ग्रीष्मावकाशः आकार. Okay. इति प्लस होरी प्लस इच्छा, ई बड़ी ई. So हरि प्लस इच्छा, हरिच्छा बड़ी. Okay, हरिच्छा. इति प्लस इदम, इतिदम सी बड़ी ई. विधु प्लस उदयः, विधुदयः. सु प्लस उपकारः, सुपकारः. छोटियु when it is sandhi, छोटियु should be badiyu. Okay, छोटियु should be badiyu. छोटी should be badi. Like this it will change. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This 10 sandhi you have to memorize from this chapter, because in exam definitely I will give sandhi. If I give this side, you have to write that side, or if I give this side, you have to write this side. Okay, definitely the sandhi will come in your exam. Okay, so be ready for that from now only. Okay, so this chapter 11 it is. Chapter 11 completed. Now we are going to start chapter 12. Okay, so let's see. Koho balavattaraha. That means who is stronger. एकदा सूर्य पवन मध्ये प्रतियोगिता भवति. That means one day there is a competition between the Surya Pavana Madhya, that means between the sun and the wind. Kaha balavattaraha, that means who is stronger. Iti, with this competition is going on. Sahamotina tvau samudram nirnayakam chinuta. With the consent of both, they selected who? Selected the samudra as a judge. Samudra प्रतियोगितां कारयति. The samudra only dictate the competition. Okay, next. Vayuhu aham balavan asmi, I am strong. Surya, no evam, no it is not. Aham balavan asmi, I am strong. When Vayu is telling, that means Pavan, Vayu is telling I am strong, that means Surya is telling no it is not, I am strong. So they are like fighting. See, they are quarreling. ঝগড়া করছে. বায়ু কথং নির্ণয়ः ভবেৎ, how to determine, কি করে প্রমাণ হবে. So Surya Samudrah Nirnayakah Bhavatu. The sea, you determine it. The sea determine it. That means the Samudra will determine that who is the stronger. Okay. Samudra. Bayung prati prathikasya vastrani hara. That means Bayung prati, that means to the wind. So Samudra is telling to do something. First whom? First the wind. That means Bayu. To the wind. That means Bayung prati. What he told now, see. Prathikasya vastrani hara. Take up the traveler's clothes. See. First say to the Bayu. That means wind. That take up the traveler's clothes. Prathikasya vastrani hara. Next, Bayuhu esaha karami. Okay, I am doing it. Who is telling that? Bayuhu is telling, okay, I am doing it. That means no problem, I can do. You want to do that things. What Samudra told. Now he will try. See. Bayuhu tibratarang bati. The wind began to blow faster. Yatha yatha bayu vegaha bardhate. That means as the speed of the wind increase, মানে যেমন যেমন ভাবে বায়ুর বেগ বাড়ছে, as the speed of the wind increased, তথা তথা সহ পথিকः নিজ বস্ত্রাণি দৃঢ়ং ধারয়তি. তথা তথা পথিকः নিজ বস্ত্রাণি দৃঢ়ং ধারয়তি. That means the traveler pressed his clothes tightly. মানে কি করলো? চেপে ধরলো জামাটাকে. So we can say that as the speed of the wind increased, the traveler pressed his cloth tightly. মানে যেমন যেমন বায়ুর গতিবেগ বাড়তে থাকলো তেমন তেমন পথিক কি করলো? নিজের বস্ত্রকে আরো চেপে ধরে রাখলো. Pressed his cloth tightly, tight করে ধরে রাখলো. Samudraha Suryangpati. Now next, so he failed, he can't. Bayu can't. Okay. Now Samudra will say to the definitely the sun. So let's see. Samudra Suryangpati, that means to the sun. Uduna twang vastrani hara. Now you take off the traveler's cloth. Surya. Udhuna momo baramasti. Now my turn. Esaha karami. Okay, I am doing it. Now see. Surya prachandang tapoti. Sun is very clever and he is trying to do. See. Surya prachandang tapoti. Now my turn, he told na. Now he is trying. See. The sun is giving intense heat মানে প্রচন্ড তাপ দিচ্ছে. ঠিক আছে, প্রচন্ডং তপতি, intense heat. Sun is giving intense heat. Yada usma bardhate tada saha pathikah usma prabhaveno nijo vastrang mochayati. That means as the heat increased, the traveler what? If heat will increase, what you will do? Definitely you will feel the hot and you will open your clothes. Am I right? So traveler also doing as same as you. See, as the heat increased, the traveler opened his clothes under the influence of the heat. Ushma prabhaveno na. So ushma prabhaveno means under the influence of the heat. So যেমন যেমন গরম বাড়তে থাকলো পথিক কি করলো? নিজের বস্ত্রটা খুলে ফেললো. কেন খুলে ফেললো? উষ্মা প্রভাবে না, গরমের কারণে. আন্ডার দ্য ইনফ্লুয়েন্স অফ হিট. As the heat increased, the traveler opened his clothes under the influence of heat. Okay, this line's meaning. Now next, Samudraha Suryaha eva balavattaraha. Now result came. Now Samudra is telling the sun is most strong, or you can say more stronger. Ayam nirnayah asti. This is the determination. Okay, this much your CW. Okay, and the meaning picture definitely I'll send you. Okay, and you have to write the meaning in your CW copy. Definitely you have to write your meaning, this chapter's meaning by C. Definitely I'll send by see the picture you have to send those meaning in your CW copy. Okay, and this one you have to tick as same as like me. These things you have to tick, and these things you have to write in your book. This thing in book, and this meaning of this chapter you have to write in your CW copy. Now I am sending the picture. Please follow the picture for writing in your CW copy. Definitely you have to write these things in your CW copy. Meaning, okay? And these things in book. So let's start the writing the meaning. Hare Krishna.